Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2021 Toyota Corolla Icon Tech. This car comes with the hybrid 1.8 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 61 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15, and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history. As you can see, the metallic blue paintwork looks in great condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats on the Corolla are really comfy and supportive for the long journeys. There's an armrest and two cup holders there for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has heated front seats, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. The Corolla Estate is a great car for family, so nice wide door opening, a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.